kitchen and let me show you guys what you'll be needing. So you'll be needing some sugar, oil, milk, cocoa powder, flour, of course a mug, and something to mix with. So what you're going to do is take your 2 tablespoons of some flour. So I added my flour in there. And now you're going to take your 2 tablespoons of some sugar. If you think that 2 tablespoons is too much, you can just add 1 tablespoon. And then you're going to mix it. So you're going to take your cocoa powder and you're going to add cocoa powder, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon over here. That should be good. Should be enough. Okay. Then you're going to mix it up. Make sure it's well combined. And now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, now you're going to add some milk. You're going to add first a little bit at a time and mix. So you're supposed to add your milk gradually. Then you're going to mix it until it turns to a batter. So just keep mixing and make sure you mix it nicely. Make sure it's well on the... There you go. Okay guys, now you're done. We're gonna remove this up. Just gonna make sure remove everything. Oh. I'm gonna remix it first. Okay, now it's good. I'm just gonna scrape everything up. And now you're gonna put this in the microwave for... Okay guys, so what you're gonna do is gonna put this in the microwave for 1 minute. So we're gonna put this in the microwave for 1 minute and we're gonna wait for it. Okay guys, so keep checking on the cake. It looks like it's still not cooked, so let's add another minute. Okay guys, this is already 2 minutes and this is how it looks like. And it's done. So you'll be taking some powdered sugar. This is actually optional, but just for decoration and a little bit more of some flavor. Just gonna put this at the top. Just gonna put a little bit in there. And that should be good. You're ready to eat, and I'm so excited to eat. It looks so good, guys. Like, wow. Okay, guys, so I guess let's taste it. Let's taste it. Look at it. It's just like cooked inside. Look. Okay, let's eat. Still pretty hot though. Ah, it's hot. Okay guys, sorry, but now it's pretty cool. Now let's eat. Oh, hot. Okay guys, sorry because it was hot, but it's really nice. It's sweet, it's chocolatey, and if you want to add some Nutella or just chocolate spread instead of powdered sugar, you can do that. So, yeah. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in another video. Bye! Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, click that notification bell so you never miss any video posted in YouTube, and share. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in another. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, click that notification bell so you'll never miss any video posted in YouTube, and please share. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in another. Bye guys!